taco shells and cheese. I browned some ground beef, so I am gonna doctor up this taco meat with some delicious seasonings. Chili powder, a little sprinkle of paprika, garlic powder. This right here is onion powder. And then cumin is the final spice. Now I'm really gonna bump up the heat and flavor by adding a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. I've got some hot water in a kettle, and I'll just add a splash. I forgot to season it with salt and pepper. And you wanna cook it so the sauce is really starting to get thick. Paigey, get in here and see if you can see that sauce. It's not really watery anymore. And that's when you can turn the heat down. And I'm gonna pour it into this bowl right here. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the heat to low, and I'll add butter to the same skillet. And you'll notice that I did not wash this skillet, and that's because I wanna have all of that delicious flavor going on in there. And I'm just gonna make a super simple cheese sauce. So I'm going to grab some gourmet cheese that I happen to have in my pantry. Okay, so I'm gonna stir and turn up the heat. I wanna melt this great grandma cheese, I'll call it, until it's totally melted. This came from a big block of cheddar jack. So I grated it myself because that makes it kind of silkier and smoother. It takes almost no time for this to melt. These are mini shells. They're little bitty pasta shells. Oh, look at this. Yum. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna grab a clean spoon and I'll add this meat and tomato green chili mixture. I'm gonna leave it just like this, except I do have some dried cilantro, so I'm gonna add quite a bit. Taco shells and cheese, but the really fun part is serving it. Stu, what do you think?
All right.
Here you go. Don't touch spoons.